Hey, this is Dawn Parker with Precision Partners. For all of my colleagues out there in advancement services or for anyone in charge of advancement information systems, I have a precision practices for you. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between implementing a solution for advancement versus implementing CRM software. So if we look at implementing a new CRM software as the entirety of the project, here's what happens. So first we install our software. And then we have some configurations to make it work for our specific institution and maybe even customizations, such as integrations to the financial system. That is really the total of what we're talking about if we refer to this kind of project as implementing a CRM software. But it's much more than that. And we want to think about it as implementing an entire solution for advancement. So I'm going to walk through what that looks like. So if you focus your project on implementing an entire solution for advancement, that does include implementing the CRM software. So we have our CRM software here. But with that, we want to integrate this CRM software into the entire fabric of the technology ecosystem that already exists, or you may be also implementing in your advancement area. So this can include things like document management. This can include an integration to the financial system. This can include an integration to your grants management system. And also, looking at for my university colleagues out there, you want to integrate your CRM with your student system. And then for my research hospital colleagues, you want to integrate your CRM software with your medical record system. Okay, so that's the first step in my solution for advancement, is that I am integrating this CRM software into the entire fabric of my technology ecosystem. But we don't stop there. The second step we need to look at is, how do I make the CRM software a valuable tool for every staff member that needs to use it? So in that case, I'm actually talking about a broader component of the project, and that is definitely going to include my training program, right? From a product training perspective, all of my staff members need to have a certain level of proficiency with different components of the CRM software. It is highly likely that I'm also going to implement new workflow as a part of my solution. And also to provide guidance to everyone who uses this tool, I will also need to look at and revamp my policies and procedures. And with those three things together, I'm establishing a new business practice for daily operations for everyone who uses the CRM software. But there's other elements I need to consider as well. Data governance. There's a lot of information that is going to flow in and out of the CRM software as it becomes an integrated part of the ecosystem. So I need to look at establishing a data governance structure, committee, team, who will actually provide guidance throughout the entire process of that. So I have first put the CRM software into my technology ecosystem, and then secondly, I have taken steps through training, looking at new workflow, policies and procedures, and data governance to make the CRM software a valuable tool to each staff member who uses it. Now I have a third component, and that third component has to do with how do I get my old data from my legacy system into the new CRM. And it might not just be information that's coming from the legacy system. I might have, unfortunately, some shadow databases sitting out there that I also need to integrate and move to my new CRM. So, in this talk today, we've looked at implementing CRM software, which just addresses one component that actually needs to be looked at in a project such as this, versus implementing an entire solution for advancement. In the entire solution for advancement, I'm considering my data, which has to move from my legacy systems or other sources into the new CRM. I also have to create programs to support my staff who will be using the CRM software such that they see it as a valuable tool. And then I also need to look at implementing the CRM software itself and making it a part of my total technology ecosystem. So I hope you found this helpful. Talk to you soon.